Jammu Airport, the principal aviation gateway to Jammu region and one of the North India's strategically significant airport, will celebrate Yatri Suvidha Divas on 15th June 2026 with a series of passenger-centric community outreach and environmental initiatives aimed at enhancing passenger experience and recognizing the contribution of aviation stakeholders. The observance comes at a time when Jammu Airport has witnessed significant growth and transformation over past decade. Operational since 1930s, Jammu Airport is a unique joint controlled airfield managed by Airports Authority of India and Indian Air Force. While Indian Air Force manages air traffic control, runway operations and operational area, AI manage apron, terminal building and city side infrastructure. Passenger handling capacity has increased from 1 million in 2014 to 2.6 million at present, and it will be further enhanced to 4.5 million through the development of new terminal building. The terminal area is also expanded from 7,000 square meter in 2024 to 14,500 square meter currently, and will further increase to 40,000 square meter upon completion of new terminal building. The aircraft parking capacity is also increased from 7 to 13 parking stands for A321 type aircraft through construction of new civil enclave apron. Runway 36 was extended approximately 1300 feet in October 2021, eliminating aircraft load restrictions and significantly enhancing operational capability. This extension enabled Jammu Airport to accommodate Airbus A321 aircraft operations, whereas earlier the runway was primarily suitable for Airbus A320 aircraft only. The aircraft landing facility is also being upgraded from Cat 1 to Cat 2 to enhance operational reliability during low visibility conditions. Construction of a dedicated helicopter parking stand and link taxiway completed in 2019 to enhance operational flexibility and airside efficiency. Common user domestic cargo terminal with the capacity of 100 tons per month has also been constructed in 2022. Right. In 2014, the airport operated without aero bridges. With the expansion and modernization of the existing terminal building in September 2017, 3 aero bridges were commissioned, and that has significantly enhanced the passenger convenience. And in new terminal building, these aero bridges will be further enhanced to 6 with all modern terminal amenities. Initially, there was no solar power infrastructure available at the airport. In 2022, 300 kV rooftop solar plant was installed, and in 2023, it was further enhanced to 400 kV. Security systems of airports, they were also enhanced. Under vehicle surveillance system at entry gate was commissioned in 2024, and integrated perimeter security system for the airport perimeter security, that was also installed in 2024. And Jammu is the only airport in India where we are having integrated perimeter security system. Development of associated civil, electrical, mechanical infrastructure as part of the airport ongoing modernization program. Airport has also witnessed remarkable expansion in air connectivity. Direct flights now connect Jammu with major destinations including Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Srinagar, Leh, Chandigarh. In addition, direct helicopter service from Jammu Airport to Mata Vaishno Devi Bhavan has also enhanced convenience for pilgrims. Jammu Airport has also continued to contribute towards community welfare through various CSR and CER initiatives. As part of its commitment to social development, the airport has provided two fully equipped ambulances to SFGS Hospital, Jammu, and supplied 10 computers with table, 20 chairs to RO water purification systems to Gujar Bakarwal Girls Hostel, Jammu, to support education and improving living facilities for the students. Further strengthening its environmental and community outreach, Jammu Airport has provided 3 battery operated 6-seater sightseeing cars to Environmental Park at Raika. Passenger convenience has remained the center of Jammu Airport development strategies. So key passenger centric initiatives that we have taken up recently are the operationalization of Digi Yatra for the seamless and contactless travel, Udan Yatri Cafe for offering affordable food and beverages option, Avsar for the assistance service for passengers requiring special support, Flybrary facility promoting the reading and book sharing among travelers, free Wi-Fi services across the terminal, dedicated facilities for children, senior citizens and persons with disabilities. These initiatives has substantially enhanced the overall passenger experience at Jammu Airport. Jammu Airport has simultaneously focused on sustainability and community welfare with 400 kV solar power installation, Griha 4-star certification, plantation drive, waste management initiative and various social outreach program. To celebrate Yatri Suvidha Divas, a series of events have been planned on 15th June 2026. Passengers arriving at Jammu Airport will be welcomed by airport officials and stakeholders. A collective singing of Vande Mataram will be organized. The occasion will also be recognize the valuable contribution of the frontline workers and women professionals in aviation through a special appreciation program, blood donation camp and a medical camp for passengers, airport employees and stakeholders will also be organized. In line with the airport's green initiative, a plantation drive will be undertaken within the airport premises. Additionally, school children from nearby educational institutions will be invited to visit airport, providing them with an opportunity to learn about aviation operations. A painting competitions will also be conducted to encourage creativity and inspire young minds towards aviation sector. The celebration of Yatri Suvidha Divas reflects Jammu Airport's continued commitment to enhancing passenger experience, promoting sustainability, strengthening community engagement and supporting overall development in Jammu region. Through these initiatives, airport aims to reform its role as not only a transportation hub but also a catalyst for regional growth, tourism and public service. Jai Hind.